Michael Atsoni, and I'm here on this Kia Rio 2013 model with AC complaint. You can see the AC knob, all the lights are on, but it's not cool. So during my findings, I realized that current is getting to the AC compressor. The AC. Okay, I just checked the current to the compressor now. Here's the compressor connector. It is showing me 12 volts, which means the system should work. We have enough gas in the system. The pressure transducer is working. The inner thermostat is okay, but still the system is not working. Let's go check the supply current from the inner panel to see if this is stuff coming. Okay, now I have back probed the internal and the external lines of the external control valves. Please don't do this because it's not a professional practice, although they've pierced the wire there. That's why you can see I put my multimeter probe in it, and the voltage to this very component now is 0, which means the line is having some resistance instead. So let me to unplug that in. So let's just unplug the compressor and see what happens now. Okay, you can see the 12 voltage is back on. So we're going to check what's really causing this cause, because we've checked all the entire electrical harness system and it is giving us a thumb up signal showing that everything is working well. But I think we have a very bad one bad panel or module. So I'll update your furniture with further information. Socket it, let's see. I want to put the socket back and see what comes up. Okay, you can see it automatically returns to 0. Now the knobs are in their original state, so let me turn the AC off and still see the voltage is still 0. Okay, we've opened the panel and we found a burnt IC, as you can see. For us to be very sure that that's the cause of this fault, we need to get another panel, AC panel, and then test if the system will work. Okay, now the AC control switch has been replaced, and now the AC is chilling properly the way it ought to. So that means the cause of the failure was the bad AC control panel. Yeah.